In fast-changing industrial application scenarios, rapid response, efficient delivery, and meeting customer needs with high quality and quantity have become the core competitiveness of UAV solution providers. Raefly possesses the capability for agile response and high-volume delivery. Each UAV undergoes rigorous pre-debugging and parameter fixing before leaving the factory. Every procedure undergoes individual inspection and precise calibration. All the complex processes that originally required repeated trial and error on-site are completed in the factory. Ensure the product delivered to you is in ready-to-fly condition. No secondary calibration required. No repeated debugging required. Unboxing. Assembly. Power on. Start the operation immediately.